If you're thinking about replacing your windows, you've probably noticed that the price can add up pretty quickly, but don't worry, there are a few simple ways to save on your next window project without making compromises when it comes to quality. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to focus on Renewal by Andersen, a company in the window replacement industry. I'll walk you through their pricing, how their process works, and some ways you can save money on your next project. So by the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of what to expect and how to make your window replacement more budget-friendly. And if you're thinking about getting started, be sure to check out the affiliate link in the description down below. It won't cost you anything extra, and you might even get a little discount that's not available directly on their website. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so Renewal by Andersen is a sister company of Andersen Corporation, a company that's been around for over 120 years. Back in 1995, they decided to launch Renewal by Andersen, with their first location in Minnesota, and now they've got over 100 locations across the United States, making them one of the biggest names in window replacements today, focusing specifically on replacing only windows and doors. The idea was to bring the same level of quality of work from Andersen into the replacement market, making it easier for homeowners to upgrade their windows without compromising on style or performance. And with over 2 million windows installed across 300,000 homes, Renewal by Andersen has become a top choice in the industry, known for their reliable, long-lasting products and professional service. Now, the process with Renewal by Andersen is really simple and easy to follow. It starts with scheduling a free in-home consultation, where a design expert will come to take measurements and help you choose the right style and materials to match your home and budget. And what's impressive is that they offer over 35 different window styles, so whether you're going for something classic like double-hung windows, or something more unique, they've got plenty of options. Moving on to customization, you can choose everything from the type of glass and frame material to the hardware, and you can even add insect screens if you need them. So they really make it easy to tailor your windows to your style and needs. Plus, all their windows are designed to be energy efficient, which can help keep your home more comfortable while potentially lowering your energy bills. So if variety and customization are important to you, they've got you covered. Then, once you approve the quote, Renewal by Andersen takes care of the entire installation process with their certified team. So there's no need to hire separate contractors. The crew will come to your home, remove the old windows, and install the new ones efficiently and with minimal disruption. After installation, they'll make sure everything is sealed properly to enhance your home's energy efficiency. And they'll clean up afterwards so you're not left with any mess. Once the job is done, the team will walk you through the features of your new windows and give you tips on maintenance to keep them looking and working their best. That said, let's get into the pricing. Now, unlike some companies that have set prices listed on their website, Renewal by Andersen takes a more custom approach. Every window and door is made specifically for your home, which means the cost can vary quite a bit depending on what you choose. So based on the type of windows, the materials that you choose, and the overall work of the project, they'll give you a personalized quote. And even though Renewal by Andersen isn't exactly the cheapest option out there, they're known for their focus on quality, energy efficiency, and a seamless professional installation process. So you're paying for a top-tier experience. And even though there are no set prices, a lot of customers have said that they end up spending anywhere from a few $1,000s for a small project to tens of thousands for larger homes or more extensive replacements. It all really depends on the size of your home, the type, the number of windows or doors, and the custom options that you choose. And if it sounds like a lot for one payment, the good news is that Renewal by Andersen offers financing options, which can help you spread out the cost over time and to make it more manageable. And again, if you're thinking about getting started with Renewal by Andersen, be sure to check out the affiliate link in the description down below. It won't cost you anything extra, and you might even get a little discount that's not available directly on their website. Okay, now there are a few easy ways that you might be able to save on your window replacement project with Renewal by Andersen. First, always ask about seasonal promotions or discounts. Next, if you replace several windows at once, you might get a better rate than doing it over time. Plus, their energy-efficient windows can help reduce your utility bills in the long run. Some states even offer rebates or tax credits for energy-efficient upgrades, so make sure to check if you qualify. After that, if paying up front is too much, financing is another option. Spreading out payments makes the cost easier to manage. Plus, when picking custom features, sticking to simpler options can keep the price down without sacrificing quality. Lastly, try planning your job for times when things aren't as busy, because there might be more contractors available, which could mean better prices or faster work times. Now, when considering a big investment like this, their warranty and customer service are important aspects to keep in mind. So Renewal by Andersen offers a strong warranty package. You get a 20-year limited warranty on the glass and a 10-year warranty on non-glass parts, which covers things like the frame and hardware. So if anything goes wrong within those timeframes, you're covered for a good amount of time. They also include a 2-year limited warranty on the installation itself, which means if there's any issue with how the windows were installed, they'll come back and fix it at no extra cost. This gives you great reassurance, knowing that they back up their work and won't leave you hanging if something goes wrong with the installation. And as for customer support, they've got a dedicated team that you can contact with any questions or issues. From my own experience, they were quick to respond and super helpful, which is always important when you're making an investment in your home. Alright, now in terms of my experience, I have to say that right from the start, the entire process went really smoothly. The initial consultation was straightforward. They came over, took detailed measurements, and went over all the different window options with me. I really appreciated how they took the time to explain everything clearly without rushing or making me feel pressured into any decisions. Then, when it came time for the installation, I was genuinely impressed. The installers were on time, professional, and got straight to work. They were careful to make sure nothing around the installation area was damaged, and they even cleaned up afterward, which was a big plus for me. But I have to say, the biggest difference was how comfortable my home felt almost immediately. I've even been saving money on my energy bills, because my heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard. It was a big relief, and I felt confident knowing I had made a solid investment in my home. But of course, just like any service, Renewal by Andersen has a few drawbacks. So even though they have locations across the United States, they might not be available in every area. So it's important to check if they service your region. Also, they don't provide pricing information online, which means you'll need to schedule a consultation to get a quote. And some people might prefer more transparency up front, but because the custom nature of their service means every project is unique. So wrapping up this review, would I recommend Renewal by Andersen? Absolutely. If you're looking for high quality, energy efficient windows and a professional, hassle-free installation process, Renewal by Andersen is a great choice. Their durable products and wide customization options make it easy to find windows that fit your home perfectly. And even though they might cost more upfront, the long-term savings and comfort are worth the investment. Just keep in mind that the availability can vary by locations, so it's worth checking if they service your area. All in all, if you want a reliable, high-end window replacement service that stands by their work, Renewal by Andersen is definitely worth considering. Anyway, so that's all for this review. If you found this video helpful or interesting, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this one. And just to reiterate one more time, if you're thinking about going with Renewal by Andersen, I've added an affiliate link in the description down below. It won't cost you anything extra, and it might even get you a little discount. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. And finally guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.